In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate apps into Outlook. If you've ever wished Outlook could do a little more right where you're already working, add-ins, also called apps, are the way to go. They layer helpful tools into your inbox and compose windows so you can save time and keep everything in one place. Start by opening Outlook the way you normally do. This can be the desktop app on your computer or Outlook on the web by visiting outlook.com and signing in. The steps look slightly different depending on where you are in the app, but the idea is the same. You're heading to the place where Outlook keeps its add-ins. If you're reading a message, look along the action bar or ribbon for the More Apps icon. Depending on your version, it might look like 3 dots or a small square with an arrow. Click that to reveal additional options, then look for apps or get add-ins. If you don't see it right away, keep an eye out for wording like add-ins. Microsoft sometimes uses that term interchangeably with apps. If you're composing a new email, you'll find the same option on the Message tab in the ribbon. Click Message, then choose Apps or Get Add-ins. This is handy because it puts the store right where you're already drafting, so you can add something you need without leaving your message. You can also get there from the main Outlook interface. In the left navigation, look for an app icon made of smaller squares, or a label that says More Apps. Selecting that opens the same catalog. This route is great if you want to browse and install before jumping into your inbox. Once you're in the catalog, select Get Add-ins if prompted. Use the search bar to find what you need. Try typing a name like Zoom, or search by what the tool does, such as project management or e-signature. When you find the app you want, click Add. Outlook will confirm it's been added to your account, and you'll typically see it appear in your ribbon or in the More Apps menu the next time you open or compose a message. If an app asks for permissions, take a moment to review them so you understand what it can access in Outlook. Some organizations manage which apps are allowed, so if something isn't available, that's likely an admin setting. That's it. Thanks for watching.